A minute in the oven is like a lifetime for a cookie. They develop almost from raw to chewy to crispy and to burnt very quickly. Welcome back. This is Seshu and I am the CEO of Bakers Fun. Cookies are what we are famous for. To all those home bakers and want to be bakers, let me give you a few tips on how you can make your cookies softer. There are different types of fats available in the market, ranging from vanaspati to margarine that can be used in the cookies. But I recommend to use butter to attain a softer texture for your cookies than the former. Replacing refined white sugar with brown sugar will make your cookies softer. Moisture is another factor that makes your cookies softer. Using flour which has high gluten like bread flour will absorb more water and as a result make your cookies softer. But the recipe used for making the cookies should be your first priority while manufacturing your cookies. And at Bakers Fun, we are famous for that. Comment below any other tips that you think make the cookies softer. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.